REVO steady rig. They're on sale, or they were on sale. They're not on sale anymore. I got this for 130 bucks, but they messed up the order, so I got $15 back. Now they're back to $150 on bnh.com. Always keep the boxes up until your warranty ends and all receipts they give you. It's the safest method. It's a steady rig. You can put cages on this. You can put pretty much anything on this. Trying to keep styrofoam safe is really difficult though, so I mean, I always reuse styrofoam that I get. Looks like most of it's put together, so that's good. I like not having to put. I like the stuff like the Alzo that you saw that I uploaded before this. I like putting that kind of stuff together. It's easy. So here's the name of it. Hopefully there we go. Right there. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see it. Made by REVO, shoulder support rig, dual grip. That's what it looks like. But yeah, it looks like most of it's already put together. The whole thing might be put together for all I know. I've never bought a rig before. I've never bought a cage before, but now I have a cage and a rig. And then it also comes with another hex screw, a shinier one, bigger one. Here it is with the Camcorder T5i and the Alzo cage on it. I did the Alzo review for this one, so check it out. It's like triple steady now. Really steady. I can barely feel it. It's not top heavy, not front heavy, not back heavy, just right. You'll get that cinema shake, the little micro shake that the movies do. So you might want to replace these grips though with something like rubber or something, not this styrofoamy crap that absorbs sweat and stuff. So yeah, I think it's worth it for the rebate I got on. Would I spend $150 on it? Probably not, but it does feel good. Very smooth pans, up close action. Bam. Bam. Looking up. Still not back heavy, still not front heavy. Looking down. It gets a little front heavy when you look down with it. Yeah. I'm Josh from Job and Joshua's History of Some Reviews, and I'm signing out. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, this is a test of the REVO SR 1500 on the shoulder. You're gonna see probably a little bit of camera shake. And now let's do some pans. Nice steady pans. And then up and down. Down. Up, very smooth, up and down, very smooth pans as long as you twist your hips. And then some more walking in a circle.